Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off our assistant menu button that is hidden here. So we have this little button. What does it do? Here are shortcuts for few of our phone functions, but we don't want this button to be here no more. How to turn it off? We need to go to settings, then we are going to look for our accessibility options, and in interaction and dexterity we have assistant menu. First of all, we can just tap this little button and now it's gone. Of course, we can choose to edge icon, make it visible. Now it's on our screen all the time and not hidden. But to turn it off completely, we need to uncheck this little option there. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.